Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come with a very easy whole wheat bread recipe. It's a no knead whole wheat bread. In this bread, we don't knead the dough. We just mix the flour with water, yeast and salt, sugar. Then just proof it, shape it and bake it. So it's a very easy bread. You get nice and soft, delicious bread without spending much time and energy. So let us see how to bake this bread. In a bowl, I am taking 300 grams of whole wheat flour and 100 grams of fine semolina. I have mixed the flour and taken. Into that, I am adding half teaspoon of yeast and 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. You can use sugar or any other sweetener of your choice, and 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In case you are keeping the dough to proof for a longer time, you can use 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. So that with a little amount of yeast and long proofing, it will result in a very good bread. I've added 360 ml of whey water. You can add water or a mix of water and milk. Mix it well till there is no streaks of flour in the dough. Now the dough is mixed well. Now let us add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Any other oil or melted butter can be used in place of olive oil. Now mix well. Now the dough is mixed well. We'll cover it with a cling film or a damp cloth and allow it to proof till it doubles in size. Now the dough has doubled in size. We'll remove the gas like this, degas the dough using a spatula. Here I have taken an 8-inch pan, 8-inch and 3 by 3.5 inch height and breadth, 8-inch length and 3.5 inch height and breadth pan, and into that we'll transfer the dough. Just pour the dough into the tin and using a spatula spread it evenly in the tin. The tin is well greased with melted butter. Now we'll again proof this till it doubles in size. Cover it with a cling film or damp cloth. Now the dough has risen well. We'll brush some melted butter on top and bake it for 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Now the bread is baked properly. We'll remove it from the tin, brush it with melted butter. Remove the bread from the tin when it is still hot, otherwise it will turn soggy. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. While subscribing, press the bell icon and select all option to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you. Slice the bread only after it is thoroughly cooled. If you like the video, definitely give it a like and share with your friends and relatives. Such an easy recipe. Please do try the recipe and give your feedback. Your feedbacks do matter a lot. Would love to see your comments and suggestions in the comment box. If you're interested in other bread recipes, please do check out my channel. I have quite a few bread recipes. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye.